Welcome back to Skate Dad and the Rascal, back in the garage today. It's been tipping down here in Stoke-on-Trent. Rolling fakie for a fakie front shove. Standard for a ollie 180. That's a revert nollie shove. A couple of those. Stationary position, just a front side pop shove. A couple of those as well. That is 3/4 of a fakie big spin. Rolling fakie for a fakie front shove. That's a nollie shove. Nollie shove to tail, to Casper position. Rolling fakie for another fakie pop shove. Then a fakie back shove. Did a couple of those. Not tried those in a little while. Another one of those. And another. That's just a standard ollie. And again, up into manual. He's getting a bit better. All day long. It's a nollie shove. Rolling fakie for a half cab front side. And again, just a standard ollie. Another one of those. That's a back shove. No pop on those. Cheeky foot plant. Another back shove. And another one. Rolling for a front shove. Did a few of these as well. And we'll catch you on the next one. Have a great time, thank you.